How to get free stars on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Telegram on your device. Then tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on settings. Now simply scroll down and tap on my stars. Then tap on stars. Now on this page you can simply join the program and share the referral link. Now if any of your friends or family members join the referral link and spend stars on this program, then you will get a commission. Now to do that, simply tap on any of the program, then tap on join program, then tap on copy link. Now you can share this link with the friends, and if anyone spends the stars, then you will get a commission for that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.